more to come, boys. The finale's still happening. Send them up, boys. Send them up. Talk about smoke show. Am I right, ladies? I love that kid.
This is America. Welcome to the vlog. You probably can't see me, but we are at 4th of July fireworks. It's pretty cloudy. Tori, how do you feel about this day?
This day has been absolutely amazing. We can't really see the fireworks though because it's cloudy.
Yeah.
But it's still pretty.
Oh, let's still go though.
Scooby-Doo pop-pop.
Oh,
And
yes,
boom, boom,
that's
boom,
so
boom, boom.
pretty.
And boom, 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 boom. Scooby-Doo pop-pop.
That's so pretty. Oh my goodness, that was like a refreshing spring day.
Do you hear that, ladies? A refreshing spring day. We're still going. Sing us a song, Abadab.
God bless America, land that I love. Stand beside her and guide her. Like a light from above, from the mountains to the prairies to the oceans. What with foam?
Oh.
God bless America, my home, sweet home. Take it away. God bless America, my home, sweet home. God bless America. Ah!
Yes, we hope you had a happy, safe 4th of July, and I think we're going to end it here, but we love you. Thank you for our 33 subscribers.
We love you.
Yes, we hope we have maybe even more. But shout out to Shelby Abbott, if he's watching this.
Oh yes.
Shelby, I was the one that originally suggested that you subscribe. I just want to let you know.
Thank
Anyway,
you for subscribing.
I don't even know if you can see us right now, but yeah, we're really thankful for you guys. We're thankful for our country, and we're just really blessed.
The American
Yeah.
flag around. I like it.
Thankful for what God's doing for sure.
Yes, yes, and
Yes.
we can't wait to see him move more.
Yeah.
We love you guys.
Love you guys. Thank you so much.
Bye.